Hi guys, and welcome back to another Tipsy Duo production. I'm Sanam and today we're making Carrie Bradshaw's mocktail. You might have guessed it. If so, congrats. Yes, you're right. We're gonna make Cosmo, but mocktail, so Virgin Cosmo. Let's go and crack on and make it. First thing first, I'm gonna add some ice to my glass to make it's nice and cold. And leave it to the side. Then what you need to grab your shaker. As you know, this cocktail needs cranberry juice. So what you need to add is, I'm using a no added sugar cranberry juice. The thing is, if you're using that, just be mindful of how much simple syrup you add to your mocktail because it might get too sweet. If not, just you can stick to the measurements that I'm gonna say in the video. So first thing, you need to add 60 milliliters of cranberry juice to your shaker. Woo. I almost spilled it. 45. That's my cranberry juice. Then moving on, you'll need to add 15 milliliters of lime juice. Obviously, if you can, squeeze fresh lime. If not, you can use these store-bought, but it's gonna be much nicer with a fresh one. Give it a try and let me know what you think. That's 15 ml of lime juice. And instead of my Cointreau, I'm gonna add orange juice. So another 50 ml, but this time orange juice. And as I mentioned earlier, because my cranberry juice is sugar-free, I'm gonna add simple syrup, 15 ml as well. So it's a really easy recipe, 60, 50, 50, 50. And that's from my simple syrup. What you need to do now is add ice to your shaker. And start shaking. And make sure your shaker is tight. And let's shake. It has this really nice pinkish color, which is perfect for your baby shower or even gender reveal parties. Yep, you might be able to use that there. What you need now, you need to get rid of the ice, and you have your chilled martini glass, and you need to strain. Ooh, so tight. I'm gonna use this one now then. Strain it. Perfect. To finish it off, you will need an orange. So what I'm gonna do is just oh shoot. Oh, it burns. Oh. Ooh, did you see that? And just go over your martini. Drop it as a garnish. Oh, I might go blind. If you don't have a knife, you don't need a knife to peel an orange. Maybe use your peeler and this won't happen to you. I don't know. But anyway, our Virgin Cosmo's ready. The moment of truth, let's go and taste it. Cheers. This is perfect. You should definitely give it a try. I really like this mocktail actually. So nice. Definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments section. So fresh, fantastic, brilliant actually. And yeah, oh, sorry about that. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're the Tipsy Duo. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think about this. And yeah, easy peasy mocktail and refreshing one. See you until next video. Bye bye.